Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back here again. I'm gonna show you my small shop. You don't need to buy anything right now because you're gonna start from scratch, from zero, as a tech, work for one company for a short period, all right? Less than 1 year. You're gonna have some money, save some money, and get experience. And then you're gonna move up and work for yourself as a subcontractor. Me, as a subcontractor, at the first year, I made more than $300,000 revenue in my first year as a subcontractor. The second year as a subcontractor, I made over $600,000 as a subcontractor without license, working under somebody else's license. All right, so I'm gonna show you my small shop here to encourage you. Later on, you're gonna have a small shop like this, and you're gonna have your own HVAC company business qualified through another company. They can qualify you, or you can go on your own and get your own license. Right now, that's the class. I'm gonna show you some material that I have right here, some tools. Okay, and welcome back again. So let me start from there. It's a really small shop, like I said, but just remember, bro, 2 years ago, I had no money to pay rent. Okay, no money to have food. All right, that can be change your life. And this is November 2025. I'm recording this. Okay, next year 2026, I believe I'm gonna crash 1 million revenue in my small business, really small business. All right, hey guys, like I said, the first year, second year, maybe you don't need to have all this stuff here. I know this costs money, so you're starting as a tech and save your money to be prepared to be on another side, which is subcontractor, and later be HVAC qualified or get your own license. Okay, so basically we start from somewhere. Like I said, this is my second year. I want to tell you just to encourage you, because 2026 is going to be my third year, and I will crash 1 million revenue per year with my small company, really small company. Okay, so you're going to be doing as well something better, maybe better than me. Okay, I hope so. I don't mind. I like teach people. I wish all the best for you. Okay, see you next class.